I was provided with a product sample to test. This will not affect my opinion about the product. Watch the entire video till the end to see my product rating. Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the SKIL brand, their Twist 2.0 rechargeable 4-volt screwdriver with a pivoting head, torque settings, USB-C charging cable, 28-piece bit set and carrying case. And right on the box you could see it is UL listed, which is excellent for anything electrical. SKIL is a big company that makes amazing products. I probably own about 15 different SKIL products in my garage and in my workshop. But this is something new that I came across and saw the way it looked and was very interested in it. So let's open this up and see what it's all about. So here's the really high quality carrying case it comes in. You can see it's going to keep everything all organized for you. And it also comes with a full booklet telling you how to operate everything, how to use the product. So let's open this up and see what it comes with. So it has one of these, it's just a push button right here and then it lifts up. Very nice. So we have the device itself, all the different bits. It has plastic on it. Let's take that off. A drive bit for quarter, and you can see it's all organized. Then you got these longer bits right here, which are handy when you're removing screws of something that is embedded in the product. And then this looks like the cable for USB A to C charging. Let's take everything out. Let's charge this first of all. So charging is very simple. You can take the included cable or any USB A to C. This is another cable. I have it plugged into a 2 amp USB 5 volt, and you see it's got the little breathing LEDs right there, and really bright, high quality. You could easily see them. So when they're all fully lit, that's when it's fully charged. Let's look at the operation of this cool product. So you have this button right here that you push, and you could change the angle of the drive on there. There is a front-facing LED, so let's start it up, and you see the LED right there, and they align it up perfectly so you can see what you're driving. So you have a forward and you have a reverse, and look how cool that is. The inside shows you that it's spinning, and it says the word SKIL on there. I love the way that looks. Little window to look into it. And that's basically it. You push this, change the angle. So you have all these different bit attachments. So let's just show one right here. Goes right in there. And they have a nice magnet in there which grips it and holds it in place. Then you have your assortment of all the different bits on here. And let's just start off with a flat head bit right there. And look at that, magnetic, and look how strong it is. I mean, I'm pulling on this, and that thing is in place. So that's it. So look, you got forward, clockwise, and counterclockwise, and that cool light on there. Really nice. And the grip on this is all cushioned with a soft silicone material. I love the red and black on there. Just looks like an amazing product, because it is. I love that grip. So the actual angle of this goes from 22.5 to 45 degrees. So you have that in between right there, and that one right there. Very nice. So this tool has some really high-tech features on here. If you want to lock this tool so that it doesn't operate while it's in your toolbox, there's a button right here. It's called the hold button. Hold that down, and you see how it goes into the lock mode. That LED red turned on right there. And now the unit won't operate, so that you can keep it in your glove box or your toolkit and it won't come on accidentally. You hold that down again, and then it goes back on, allowing you to use it. This display also tells you about the power that is left. So 3 LEDs flash. It means the battery capacity is a little 30%. So it's going to warn you right there. And 2 LEDs flash alternately, capacities within 30 and 60%. And 2 LEDs, 1 LED flashes, battery capacity is about 60%. And 3 LEDs on, battery is fully charged. This also has the unique ability to change the torque value on the actual unit. So it has a torque range of 3.5 to 22 pounds inches. And you could change that right here using this torque setting. So you see how that one LED goes, 2 LEDs and 3 LEDs, that is the torque. So the 3 LEDs has more torque that's going to be applied. And it's really great to have that, because you go to the one right there, then if you're turning a screw that is more delicate and you don't want to strip it, you can go to the lower torque setting, which is excellent to have. There's also another unique safety feature. The LED light that's on there will flash when the workload is too great, and letting you know that the tool has to be cooled down. So if you ever see that flashing while you're using it, it's warning you that the tool has to be cooled down. And another thing great about the SKIL brand, this Twist 2.0, is it has a full 2-year warranty from SKIL. Another great engineering design of this that I love is because you're gripping this and you're pushing these buttons here, you're applying a force that's right into the tool that you're doing as you push these buttons. Very clever. Here I want to demonstrate the torque control. On a typical drill, your torque control is on the top, and it's a mechanical setting. It's a clutch that releases. When you go to the lower settings, it just allows it to not turn, and you change the torque setting based on your needs. Now the SKIL is totally unique. It's an electronic torque adjustment, as I demonstrated. So you go on the lowest torque, and when you go to do this screw, it will reach a torque and then it stops. If you go to the higher torque value, then it'll go further and stop and reaches that torque value. But it allows you to essentially tighten it the way you want it, but to do it with a controlled amount of torque. So after testing, what do I think about the SKIL brand, their Twist 2.0 rechargeable 4-volt screwdriver with this amazing pivoting head on here, and the ability to change the angle, the drive angle, so that when you're working on something it's easier. The cool LED light on there. And I love that display, again, that shows you what it's doing as it's going back and forth. And this also is very quiet. It feels really good, the grip on here. So I love this product. I'm quite impressed with it. No surprise it's a SKIL product, so it's going to be excellent. So also the bits that are included are excellent to have, so you can do any kind of fixing around your house, as I demonstrated. So I love this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.